In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your bank account to QuickBooks. So linking your bank account to QuickBooks is a much faster way of managing your transactions and just a general way of making your accounting easier. So in order to link your bank account, first open up QuickBooks on your computer, click on Transactions from the left-hand navigation, and then click on Bank Transactions. Now, if you scroll down, there's effectively two different methods of uploading your bank transactions. We can either directly link our bank account by clicking Connect Account, or alternatively, you can upload your transactions using bank statements. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to link your bank account. So we're going to click on Connect Account, and then from the search box, simply search for the bank that you're using and select it from the list. Click on Let's Go, and then just scroll down and select Agree. Now, in order to link your bank account, you'll first need to connect it. So click on Sign In, and then you'll need to go and enter the account number and sort code of your bank account. Then click on Continue, and you can now open up your mobile banking to authorize this connection. Once you've authorized the connection via your mobile app, you'll then need to select your account that you're trying to add. So next to this drop-down arrow, click on Add New, and then just fill in the details for the type of account that you're adding. Click on Save and Close, and then what we can do is select which transactions we want to upload to QuickBooks. So you can click on this drop-down arrow and select the months or the period that you want to upload the transactions for. So for example, I'm going to select this month, and then go and press Connect. And now just wait a few minutes while it goes and downloads and uploads all of your banking transactions. You can decide to categorize these transactions, but for now we're going to press Skip. Select Skip for now, and just like that, you're now able to see all of your banking transactions directly from QuickBooks. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.